Now we've installed the CTEC, we can run this conduit through the firewall and start the internal wiring. Now I could have easily used a grommet in this installation, but as I'm going to have a lot of wiring going through the firewall for switch wires and power supplies, I thought I'd try the conduit method. This connector is meant to be 100% waterproof, so it should do the job. Quick wiring tip: if you're struggling to get wiring through a conduit but you've managed to get one wire through already, then tape a bit of rope onto the wire you managed to get through and pull that wire through. Now we've fed the wires into the cab, we can remove the centre console and route the conduit through for the wiring. To remove the centre console, first unscrew the gear knob and the transfer box knob. Then remove the small panel that covers the handbrake slot and sharply pull upwards. Then undo the two bolts in the centre console itself. Next, the two bolts near the gear selector. And finally the last two bolts into the dashboard with the two poppers either side. With the centre console removed, we can then put our fuse board in, our distribution block for our earth, and drill some holes for wires to go through. Then start the long process, feeding each wire through into the centre console, then cutting, crimping and heat shrinking until all connections have been made.